You want to do something fun, Layla? Okay. We're going to show Grandma and Grandpa. Okay, here's the switch. Yay! We use the switch to turn on the light. Say yay, Layla. Yay! And then we go in here in Lexi's room. Light, switch, light. Yay! Say yay!
On.
Yeah, it's on. Can you say hi, Lex? Come here, Alexa. Come here, Alexa. Good girl. Oh, done walking. Hey, little miss. Hey, have you been wearing the same underwear all day? Yep. Because what did you do in the potty? What did you do? What did you do in the potty? Pee-pee? Can you say hi to Grandma and Grandpa? Say hi. Okay. Grandpa? Do you want them to come visit you? They'll be here soon, in a couple months. Yeah, months. Okay? Okay, tell them bye-bye.
Bye. Hug.
You want to give them a hug? Okay, give them air hugs. Aww. You want to say your prayers? Okay, say prayers.
Jesus, thank you. Hello. Amen.
Amen. Good job. Say yay, Jesus.
Yay.
Okay. Say bye-bye, Alexa. Say bye-bye. Okay, bye.